Let's start by creating a new contact. I simply upload a business card and ask the GNey AI to record it. The GNey AI reads the card, extracts the relevant details, and prepares a new contact automatically. Every newly created contact starts in the new state. Before using the contact information, I'll verify the details to ensure everything is accurate. The contact is updated to the verified state. I can ask the GNey AI to prepare a personalized WhatsApp greeting message. The GNey AI generates a professional follow-up message based on the contact information. Greeting messages are sent automatically. I can archive the contact to keep my active contact list organized while preserving the contact history. The contact is now moved to the archive state. Finding contacts is just as simple. Instead of manually filtering the database, I can ask the GNey AI to retrieve contacts based on specific criteria, such as country. I can ask the GNey AI to generate an overview of my contact database. GNey AI analyzes the contact database and automatically groups contacts by company and business category. This provides a quick overview of my professional network while making it easier to browse, manage, and locate contacts.